In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Docusign Allow to Edit Recipient action in 2023. Navigating through online platforms can sometimes feel a bit complex, especially when trying to make the most out of comprehensive tools like Docusign. But don't worry, we're going to walk through this process step by step, ensuring you have a clear understanding of how to use this feature efficiently. First, you'll need to head over to the Docusign website. This is a one-stop shop for electronic signatures and intelligent agreement management, making it an indispensable tool for anyone who needs to send, sign, and manage documents securely online. Once you're on the website, look for the login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking this will prompt you to enter your credentials, so make sure you have them handy. After you've logged in, you'll be directed to the Docusign home. This is your central hub within Docusign, where you can start new tasks or manage existing ones. The interface is user-friendly, and just a click on the Start button will set you on your way to beginning a new document signing session. Now, once you're getting ready to send a document, there are some advanced settings we're interested in today. To access these, you need to click on Advanced Options. This feature allows you to customize the document signing process to fit your needs exactly, offering a range of capabilities to cater to different scenarios and requirements. As you expand the advanced options, locate and click on Recipient Privileges. This is the magic section where you can allow recipients to edit specific parts of the document before signing. It's particularly handy in scenarios where the signer might need to update or correct some information, thereby streamlining the whole process by removing the back and forth of resending documents. Remember, when you permit recipients to make edits, it's vital to communicate clearly with them which parts of the document they are allowed to modify. Keeping this in mind will ensure the integrity of the document and that all changes are made correctly and efficiently. With these steps, you can now effectively leverage the Allow to Edit Recipient action in Docusign to streamline your digital document workflow. By taking the time to configure these settings, you're making your document management process more flexible and user-friendly for everyone involved. Thank you for following along, and I hope this tutorial makes your future Docusign tasks just that much easier and more efficient.